The National Testing Agency releases the admit card for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, popularly known as NEET UG. This year, the undergraduate medical exam will be held on May 7. According to various media reports, over 21 lakh medical students have registered for NEET 2023. To assist the candidates, Careers 360 has made a video tutorial on how to download NEET Admit Card 2023. To check the hall ticket, candidates need to visit NTA NEET official website, which is neet.nta.nic.in. On the home page, a direct link of NEET Admit Card 2023 will be provided. After clicking on the link, candidates will need to submit their NEET application number, date of birth and security PIN and click on the Submit button. The NEET Hall Ticket 2023 will be displayed in a PDF format. Verify all the details printed on the admit card. In case of any discrepancy, contact the authorities immediately to rectify the same. The NEET Admit Card 2023 will also be sent to the candidate's registered email ID. It is important for the candidates to carry a hard copy of the NEET 2023 admit card at the exam center along with a valid ID proof, a passport-size photograph and performa of admit card with a postcard-sized photo pasted on it. Please note that any candidate without these documents will not be permitted inside the exam hall. For more details, click on the link mentioned in the description box below.